Good morning, my Paper Pumpkin customers. I'm just gonna do a quick presentation for a gift for you, and it's a card made with the Broadway Star kit. That was I believe it was the June 2018 kit. So I'm gonna send you the bits and pieces that you need to make this card. You will still have your stamp sets and your ink, and you can put it together fairly quickly. I wanna just show you how I did this. So I have a 3 3/4 piece of white, very vanilla cardstock. If you have your banner, triple banner punch, then you can punch. Or if you don't, you just take scissors and make your own banner, which is fairly simple. Just go up to where you want to have your banner. This is how it goes, and then this is how it goes here. Okay, and then your banner is done. So what we'll do is I'm just gonna do the stamping. For the stamping, I was not too crazy on another congrats and so proud of you. We just wanted to say, anyway, that's okay. I'm gonna use the stamps from the previous kit, from the Many Manly Moments. That stamp set is quite versatile and has lots of different options on there. So I'm using the Happy Birthday to You, and so what I do is I place them on my little piece of paper that I want to stamp them on, and then I pick them up with the block. You do have the Stampin' Spot, the lovely lipstick, which is the one that came with with your kit in the June kit. So I'm inking it up, just stamping it on there, and you're good. And then all you need to do is, I stamped it up too high, darn. Oh well, I can still wrap this around a little bit. Okay, so I'm gonna wrap the ribbon around. It's too much. Ugh. Okay, wrap the ribbon around or not. We just need a little bit of that. You might not have used it up from, I might do that once it's on here. So the next thing is use your dimensionals to put it on here. I'm being generous here today. As I want to put the, come on, I still want to wrap the ribbon around, so I'm gonna come down a little lower. Not sure that it's gonna stay. Okay, so you just put that on there. And so you know, you can, if you don't have any of this cardstock, just use white or any colored cardstock. Make your own little banner, stick it on, and then we'll see if I can do this now. Okay. Okay, I can, or not. Don't know that I like it. And when I do these things, I normally fasten them down with a glue dot. So here we go. Let's cut this baby off. So I'll add a little glue dot there. So it sticks down underneath. I fold my glue dots, and then it will stick down and not be in the way. So that's Happy Birthday to You. Then I took one of these stickies, cutouts. I put the candles on, and it's gonna go again with, here's my dimensionals. I'm gonna stick this on using dimensionals on the back, and now these candles are sticky. If you want to get the stick off, you can use either a dryer sheet or the embossing buddy that we have, and just go over it with the embossing buddy, and you will lose the stickiness on the back. Okay, so this goes here. Okay, and for the inside, you can use one of the balloons if you want to do that, and stick that on, and then write whatever words you want, and done. Thank you. I hope you enjoy it. Bye bye.